Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Land Rover Freelander. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so. We also make sure you can see it in that camera. So Bluetooth's on, we're watching out at the bottom. Over here you can either click on telephone there and it comes up straight, there's nothing in at the moment, so it's coming up search new, or also on the home menu you'll see there please pair phone, same thing, search for new. Vehicle to device is easier, it saves you a few key presses, it generates a random code rather than you having to put a code in your phone and then put it into the system in the Land Rover. So sometimes it takes a while because I've actually just deleted this phone off this system, so it takes longer than it normally would. It's thinking to itself, oh, I'll make this idiot wait, he's only just deleted it. There you go, it's come up. So Barry's search new, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, click on that, it's generated a random pin code 9018. We'll just wait for there we go, the keypad's come up on here now, 9018. Pair, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Let's see, where's it gone? I've got that many things paired. We've got Land Rover not connected there, but it's connecting to Barry's iPhone 12. We'll just watch out for that one. I think that's the one. Land Rover connected, that's it. Phone connected, and my watch just buzzed to tell me that's connected too, so that's good. So that's how you do that.